Intellectuals, historians, saints and Sufis had suffered terrorists exported by our neighboring country. Every enlightened soul in the world knows that our neighboring country is a breeding ground for terrorists, and for all decades it has been exporting terror to India and to the rest of the world. In the last 3 years after the abrogation of Article 370, Jammu Kashmir has attained peace, and we are now witnessing investment and record number of domestic and foreign tourists. Stone pelting and the strikes have become thing of past. Schools, businesses, cinema halls, shopping malls are operating smoothly without interruption. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Jammu is on the path of move. The digital revolution has unleashed socio-cultural transformation which has empowered every section of the society, especially young generation. With more than 65% population below 35 years of age, we are witnessing a powerful force of youth indulging in invention, innovation and research. They are full of optimism and ambition, fired by boundless energy and knowledge power. Another important thing I would like to mention is that Honorable Prime Minister ended decades of discrimination against large populations. He has established an egalitarian society, ensuring equal rights and accountabilities of all the citizens. We have made efforts to establish people-centric governance, and we take the suggestions of common men and elected representatives to formulate new policies. Even development projects in different areas are taken up as per people's demand to ensure that works on the ground fulfill their needs. Today I can say with full confidence, the growth of Jammu Kashmir has not only accelerated, it has also become socially more inclusive and regionally more balanced. Under the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, we have taken a very wide range of decisions to accelerate the implementation of mega infrastructure projects, other development projects in health, agriculture, energy sector, reform the administrative system, and we have also created new knowledge infrastructure to transform Jammu Kashmir into a knowledge society. Over the past 3 years, we have focused on developing knowledge workers and their deployment in all sectors like industries, agriculture and healthcare. Sincere efforts have been made to convert the knowledge dividends into wealth for process of innovation and growth. You will be surprised to know that in such a small union territory, we are registering a new startup every other day. In the last 3 years, we have registered 0.6 million new entrepreneurs, which roughly means that per day, 580 youth started their entrepreneurial journey and contributing to the growth of the Jammu Kashmir and the nation. And this is not all. On an average, we are receiving 12 applications every day from different industrial houses from India and abroad to set up their businesses. In 2022, on an average, one industry became operational per day. This year has been even better, and within 45 days, around 52 new industrial units have become operational. This is the result of path-breaking decisions of Honorable Prime Minister, who guided us and guided us with essential ingredients for sustainable long-term economic growth. Friends, within 2.5 years, Jammu Kashmir has become the champion in the country as far as online provision of public services, digital transactions and use of internet by citizens are concerned. I can proudly say that in a very short span of time, we have built a digital society. We are offering 440 services in online mode. Our entire administration is paperless. We do not accept any offline application because people across Jammu Kashmir know digital application that obviously avoids any human interface. In 2022, Jammu and Kashmir recorded 1.2 million e-transactions per day, and each transaction is integrated with quality checks, and we receive the feedback from the citizen in real time, which helps us to calibrate our service delivery mechanism. Every hour of the last month, just one of our banks, known as Jammu and Kashmir Bank, facilitated 2,000 money transactions through its mobile application and digital network. I remember last week, an international magazine covered a story on quantum leap in technology. J&K is witnessing a new technological revolution, and we have started 2 innovation and invention centers where well-trained faculties of IT professionals are preparing future knowledge workers who will be the main force of Industry 4.0 to provide much needed human resources for fiercely global technological markets. Friends, with more than 150 higher education institutions, universities, 7 state universities, 2 WAMs, IIM, IIT, NIT, NIF, IIMC, and 2 agriculture, science and technology universities, Jammu and Kashmir has emerged as a favorite destination for the students in India and outside India. And I think this is the opportune moment for us to invite the students from abroad for both short-term and long-term courses in Jammu and Kashmir for value-based quality education to ensure creation of enlightened global citizens. And I assure you that we are not going to offer just a degree or a diploma, but also wisdom of 5,000-year-old rich civilization of India. I always believe that learning is a way of life, and we are going to offer students an opportunity to elevate their intellectual as well as spiritual experiences. I am not exaggerating, but any other universities and educational institutions in the world cannot match the scenic beauty as far as location of the campuses is concerned, and not to forget the inclusive cultural ecosystem, which is living example of rich, intense and diverse society. We have a dedicated Center for Central Asian Studies. We are also encouraging local companies to go global in the agriculture and textile sector, and I think the students from the foreign countries would be interested to see how our mechanical and digital intervention is helping the farmers and women entrepreneurs of hilly areas to reap the benefits. Last year, we have set up an apex committee for holistic development of agriculture and the allied sector. And on the basis of its recommendation, we are implementing 29 projects worth rupees 5,013 crore, which will transform subsistence agriculture into sustainable commercial agri-economy. We are hoping the productivity gains will ensure our gross agricultural output, which is to be the tune of 37,559 crore per year, will grow to 65,701 crore per year over next 5 years. We are number 1 in terms of production of saffron, apple, walnut and almond in India. With sustained reform process in the last 3 years, J&K is now among the top 5 states of the country in terms of monthly farmer income. Last year, we had signed an agreement with New Zealand to transform our livestock sector, and I am confident the agriculture and allied sector will provide a fertile ground for interested students for research, innovation and value creation. Besides friendly campuses nestled in nature's paradise, excellent faculty and high standard of living, Jammu and Kashmir is also offering wide variety of courses and degrees starting from artificial intelligence, robotics to architecture, yoga and Sanskrit with a new biotech park. We are also encouraging our educational institutions to develop a closer interface with the industrial world, which will definitely incentivize students to focus on advanced research activities. Friends, we all know that the COVID pandemic made the world realize the hard way the virtues of culture, humanity, spirituality, and well-being. The paradigm shift towards virtue life, which humanity is witnessing, is also an opportunity for enhancing quality of life by exchange programs between the countries and learn from each other. Live for each other, live for each other, and enable each other to achieve greater heights in our journey. Today, India is world's fifth largest economy. We have assumed G20 presidency and hosting several meetings this year. In Srinagar also in month of May, we have a meeting of G20 countries. Honorable Prime Minister gave the world a vision of one earth, one country, one future. The whole world is looking at India with admiration and hope. There never was a better time to be in India to witness and comprehend the glorious chapters of ancient civilization and immortal organic composite culture. Friends, Indo-Persian Sufi singer had once said about Jammu Kashmir, Gar Firdaus Barruye Janniyas, Hamiyas to Hamiyas to Hamiyas. If there is a heaven and earth, it's here, it's here, and it's here. I am sure foreign students, residential programs, people-to-people contacts, and institutional interactions with the different institutions of Jammu Kashmir will enrich and strengthen global cultural synergies. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Your vision is and has always been awe-inspiring. We are now proceeding to a much-awaited part of the program, the release of the Scotch Kashmir admission brochure. I request the honourable dignitaries on the stage, led by our esteemed chief guest, to kindly release the scene to
दिल्ली से देख रहे हैं शेर कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा ये प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया गया है जिसका नाम है इंटरनेशनल फेयर, लिटरेरी फेयर के तौर पर इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया गया है दिल्ली में। और इससे अब से कुछ देर पहले आप देख रहे थे कि एलजी मनोज सिन्हा संबोधन कर रहे थे। अपने संबोधन में उन्होंने कश्मीर के हवाले से तमाम बातें रखी। उन्होंने कहा कि तरक्की के काम, विकास के काम इस तरह से चल रहे हैं, वॉलनट, सैफरन और कई चीज़ों का उन्होंने जिक्र किया, साथ ही साथ एप्पल और इन्वेस्टमेंट का भी जिक्र किया। इसके अलावा उन्होंने कहा कि पहले से ही कहा जाता है कि अगर ज़मीन पर कहीं पर जन्नत है तो वो कश्मीर में ही है। इस बात को उन्होंने दोहराया और किस तरह से स्टार्टअप्स की शुरुआत युवा इस वक्त कर रहे हैं। हटने के बाद क्या कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है, इसमें कितना इजाफा हुआ है, इसकी डिटेल भी आज इन्होंने एलजी मनोज सिन्हा के जरिए इस प्रोग्राम में, इस फेयर में दी गई है, जिसका आयोजन दिल्ली में किया गया है। इसमें केंद्रीय मंत्री भी मौजूद हैं, आप जैसा कि मंच पर देख पा रहे हैं। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान भी मौजूद हैं। इसके अलावा जितेंद्र सिंह जो कि जम्मू से आते हैं, वो भी इस प्रोग्राम में शिरकत किए हुए हैं। और 3 साल में किस तरह से धारा 370 के हटने के बाद से जम्मू कश्मीर में किस तरह का विकास हुआ है, इसकी जानकारी एलजी मनोज सिन्हा आपसे कुछ देर पहले दे रहे थे।